Today on this episode of Pro Street TV, we'll be showing you how to upgrade the ignition coils in a Dodge SRT-4. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any doubt on what you are doing, stop and take your vehicle to an expert. Today we'll be showing you how to service a SRT-4 ignition coil in the event your coil is dying or you have a random misfire code like the OBD2 P0301 trouble code. The part number we'll be replacing it with is a MSD coil, part number 8239, which is a blaster coil set up in the same style as the OEM Dodge unit. This is a direct plug-and-play unit. Undo the two 14mm nuts on your shock tower to undo the tower bar and remove it. You should now see the ignition coil, the four 10mm bolts, and all the connections that lead to your ignition coil. With the spark wires removed, you can now flip up on the red retaining clip that's part of your engine harness. Next, undo the 10mm bolts that secure the coil in place. Once you have all four removed, you can pull out the stock ignition coil out. Any questions? Check out the guide in the description below. Thanks for tuning in today to another episode of Pro Street TV. Follow, like and subscribe for more news and tech tips.